Today, I added a proper settings page to PinForge. Users can now view their account, see their membership, save their Amazon Associates tag, and securely log out. It might seem like a small update, but it's laying the groundwork for what's coming next. Soon, PinForge will use that affiliate tag to recommend Amazon products based on categories, then generate Pinterest pins with the user's own affiliate links already attached. That's where things start to get really interesting.